As a matter of principle, we cannot divide anything by 0. This is a non-real solution. It's not infinity. Sometimes people mistakenly say it's in infinity when we divide by 0. That's not exactly the case, but the idea is we call this undefined. You can't split something up into 0 parts or pieces. So 2 divided by 0 is undefined. Or any number divided by 0, a million divided by 0, even 0 divided by 0 is undefined. But if you divide 0 by something, these all equal 0. This is like saying I have $0 split up between 5 people. How much money does everybody get? They get $0 because I don't have any money. That's what 0 divided by a number is, so it's always 0. But both of these are, this is 2 over 0, which is 2 divided by 0, which is undefined. Same with this. This is 6 divided by 0, which is undefined. Next we have 0 divided by 3. That's okay. That's 0. We have 0 divided by 4. That's okay. That's 0. And last, we got a number dividing 0, and that's no good. That's undefined. 0 divided by a number, that's cool. That's just 0.